Hello coaches and parents, Sean here from Sport Travel, and today on the Coaches Commute we are talking interior versus exterior corridors. So, first of all, what is the difference? An interior corridor is, you're heading into the hotel, you're up the elevator, and all the rooms are, within that hallway. They're enclosed within that hotel. The exterior corridors are where you can generally, maybe you drive up to, the room, or there's a staircase that you can walk up. But the exterior corridors, or that corridor, is on the outside of the building. So, what are the differences here? What are we looking for? 99% of the time, we're going to look for interior corridors for the team. And a lot of this has to do with safety. Teams and parents and families and coaches, they don't want the potential for anyone to come up and knock on the door or anything like that, right? It's just a safety thing. There's no control over who's walking through that parking lot or, who could try and disturb a team. Secondly, especially for, no matter the area, is safety of younger children. So, we've all heard horror stories about kids, opening up doors and getting out of their houses or bedrooms or anything like that. Well, now that happens at a hotel with an exterior corridor, and your 2-year-old is all of a sudden walking in the middle of the parking lot, something like that. Not great, not something we really want to look for. So a lot of times we are going to obviously try and look for interior corridors for the team. A lot of times hotels won't advertise that they're an exterior corridor either, so we really have to check out some of the pictures, and we've gotten really good at deciphering some of the photography and what a room type may look like, or the layout to help figure out if that hotel is going to be an exterior corridor hotel. Now, this isn't a blanket statement. We just came across actually a really nice Embassy Suites in Phoenix, and it was all exterior corridors technically, but it was kind of within a courtyard. And so to get into that courtyard was blocked off, and you had to walk past, security and the front desk and everything like that just to get in that courtyard. But then from there, you went up to your room. So in that circumstance, it is much more of a safe option. So we don't want you to, never, ever, ever book at an exterior corridor hotel, but we will generally use those as a, last option or something that we, definitely want to try and avoid. If you have any questions about those types of hotels or anything else, please let me know. Otherwise, we will talk to you again soon. I appreciate everyone listening. Thank you.